Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have MTR 3-minute breakfast Khatta Meetha Poha. So as you probably guessed from the name, this is a product of India. Seems to be some kind of instant meal with rice and raisins. That's a really interesting combination. So just add hot water, no preservatives, that's good. Yeah, let's see what's inside the box. Okay, it comes in this big bag. Poha Khatta Meetha. It said here that you have to shake it. So let's shake it. And let's open it. What do we get? Ooh! Where's the rice? I just see yellow flakes. How does it smell? Smells like a nut mix. So it smells like a nut mix. Super interesting. So it said 1 cup of this and half cup of boiling water. Okay. So I got my cup here. Let's measure 1 cup. Damn, I dropped it. It also has peanuts. That's enough. Look at this. What are these flakes? They don't look like rice. Look, they're super thin. In the picture, it has a picture of rice. But here, just like these flakes. Do they like get swollen when you boil them? I don't know. So 1 cup of this. Put it in a bowl. And now we bring the boiling water and wait 3 minutes. That's around half cup. Let's mix it in. I guess we stir it a little bit. There's a lot of water. Did I put too much? Or maybe it will sink in with the food, I guess. Let's put the cover and wait for 3 minutes and see how it looks like. Okay, it's been around 3 minutes now. It's time to take off the lid. What do we get? Oh, look at that. Oh, the smell. The smell. My house will smell like the Indian restaurant now. It's really spicy smell. Look at that. Oh, looks yummy. This is Indian instant food. Can't wait to try it. It's the moment of truth. Let's see if the MTR 3-minute breakfast is any good. The smell is like the smell when you go to Asian restaurant. Really strong spice. But how's the taste? Let's find out. So raisins, rice and peanuts. How does it taste like? Here we go. Interesting. Ooh, the peanuts are crunchy. That's good. Soft peanuts are not good. But these peanuts are really crunchy and crispy. When you bite them, it feels nice in your teeth. Damn, I dropped something. Should not talk and eat at the same time. The after flavor is really good actually. The initial flavor, I wasn't so happy with it. But after flavor in your mouth, I like it. Let's take another bite. The raisins really add to the flavor. Something sweet combined with this yellow rice that is really spicy, by the way. It's like really burning my throat, to be honest. I don't know what spice they use here. Let's see. Dehydrated onion, yeah. Lots of onion here. Green chili and curry leaves. So that's why it's yellow. It has curry leaves. Turmeric. What is that? I don't know. And dry mango powder. And then is the cumin. Really interesting combination of flavors like rice, curry, cumin, green onions, and then we have the peanuts and raisins. Like, you can never find this combination in Western foods. The more and more I eat it, the more I start to like it. This is actually a really solid food combination. And also it was really easy to make. Just put hot water, wait 3 minutes. I think if you serve this to somebody who didn't know it's instant food, they would not know it's like instant food. Like this is actually like a restaurant quality stuff, if you're not expert in the Indian food. Really interesting experience. Never tasted something like this before. I like how it like burns my mouth and my throat a little bit. I think it's a chili and the onion that's doing it. Yeah, I think this is like really good for breakfast. It has a lot of carbohydrates, not so much protein. Only 7 protein for 100 grams. But the carbohydrate is 74 per 100, so you eat this in the morning, it will definitely give you energy. And it's easy to make, so that's also good. This product I will give 9 out of 10. It's easy to make, it's cheap, it was super cheap in the Asian market, and the taste is also good. Like, it's better than instant ramen, in like many instant ramens that I have tasted before. I'm a little bit not so familiar with this taste, but I'm sure that Indians who are more familiar with this like green chili, curry and rice thing, they will love this. So yeah, 9 out of 10 to MTR 3-minute breakfast. It's good, it's nice combination of flavors, and it will start your day with lot of carbohydrates. Yeah, thank you for watching this review, and thank you Indian food company MTR for making this product. It's really good. Subscribe, comment and like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next review. Thank you for watching.